Okay, so I'm having a problem with getting the storage in for the Anran. The Anran video system, security system. So if I go to setting, storage, try to format it, it doesn't work. And I was looking up online, it says to get a FAT32. So I got this on Amazon, and let's see if it works. This app right here. Take the old one out. I got this from Amazon too, but it doesn't work, so we'll try the new one. Okay, let's see if it works. Let's go back. Video playback. Storage not found still. System setup. Okay, so that one doesn't work. This one doesn't work. Let's try this. Okay, I put it in. See if I could format it. Let's get out of the screen. Playback. System setup. It's still not reading it. I'm back and I'm trying to put a HDD, a hard drive in this NVR. Yeah, it's a small NVR, so I just got this. This one from Amazon is pretty small. I'm gonna test it out, see if it works. So I got it out of the package. Now we need to press these 4 tabs on the bottom right here. Push it in, and then it'll come off. I got it off. Now I'm gonna connect it. Just like that. The small one go in the middle. The big one go on the side. I'm gonna plug it back in. We're gonna see what happened. Okay, starting. Now let's go find our storage. Right click, system setup, storage, come on, format the device, continue. Okay, it's working so far. Okay, it read, so that's a good sign. Got a terabyte of storage. So now let's go back and let's see if we could play back. Okay, so we got it. So it's cool. There's no recording. Okay, so we got it. So if this help, I'm gonna put the link of the hard drive on in the description. So if you guys want to purchase it, it's gonna be from Amazon. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We're gonna open up the app. I'm gonna press replay. We'll go to SD. Go to the date that I started. And here we go. That's when I installed it. As you can see, all the clear spaces, I didn't put the hard drive in. All these, I put the hard drive in. And let's test it out. All the darker one, that's the motion. See, there we go. So if this helped you, please hit the subscribe button. And once I figure out how to do the SD card, I'll post another video. Thanks for watching.